Looking to add Bluetooth music streaming to your Lincoln Town Car's factory radio? The Gizmo Guy Gadget offers a simple and effective solution. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth, transmitting high-quality audio through your original CD and cassette stereo. Enjoy music, podcasts, and GPS navigation without replacing your OEM unit. The Gizmo Guy Gadget delivers near CD quality audio with no static or buzzing noises, unlike the cheap FM transmitters from Amazon or eBay.
Wesley, this FM transmitter is, excuse my language, the shit, man. Thank you so much. It's Lincoln Town Car, we're in the city in Brooklyn. Man, thank you.